Are you trying to install Filmora 11 crack? Then stop, because this might be your biggest mistake. So, as you know that this is a trending topic, so there are tons of videos uploaded every second. And to get views, people are just giving anything in their videos, random and dangerous links, which could permanently damage your computer. So, in this video, we'll be talking about what are the risks and downsides of downloading Filmora 11 crack. The first thing is that it's illegal. Not only Wondershare Filmora, but when you use an application that is not genuinely purchased, you are committing a crime. Depending on the country or region you belong to, the punishment of such a criminal offense may vary. Secondly, we get a lot of lags. A pirated copy of Filmora can never be as legitimate as the genuine one, because the coding of the program is modified so that it can work without the activation key that is recognized by Wondershare, and therefore you experience a lot of lagging when you use Wondershare Filmora crack. Then it's the risk of viruses. An illegal copy of any application, including Filmora crack, is not secured, since the .exe file of the application has to be modified so the program can be cracked. It becomes vulnerable and is likely to have plenty of viruses that may damage your computer or make it permanently unstable. And overall, we don't get any type of technical support, because Filmora crack is not a genuinely purchased program from the developer itself. You don't get any technical support in case the app crashes. Furthermore, you cannot even report the issue to the technical team to seek a patch that can permanently fix the problem. And if something goes wrong with Filmora crack, you have to live with it forever. So, as of now, we've examined the downsides of Filmora crack. But what's the solution to this? The solution is that rather than using Filmora 11 crack, you should use Filmora 10 or any other free video editor. And let me know if you want me to make a video on top video editors. And if you want to use Filmora 11 crack only, then you should wait for a few weeks to get a safer method. And I am not promoting pirating. It's just your choice. So, that was all for this video. If this helped, make sure to drop a like.